Welcome all. In this video, we are going to study basic concept of principle of mathematical induction. इस वीडियो में हम principle of mathematical induction का basic concept पढ़ेंगे. So let us start. Our learning objectives will be, हमारे learning objectives इसमें रहेंगे understanding induction, motivation and principle of mathematical induction. Now first is understanding induction. तो सबसे पहले हमने एक ट्राइंगल लिया, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, and we can see that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, if we add these three angles, what we get is 180 degree. Now take another triangle. Here also we can check that sum of angle D, angle E and angle F is equal to 180 degree. So in same way, we can take any other triangle and we can check that sum of three angles will be 180 degree. तो हम इससे क्या conclude कर सकते हैं? What we can conclude from these examples is that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we have deduced this conclusion from the above examples. This type of reasoning is called deductive reasoning. Now again consider the statement first that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. अब हमने पहले ये statement को consider करा and then इस fact को prove करने के लिए हमने examples देखे. First of all, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC we check that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And in the same way, in other triangle DEF we can check that sum of the three angles, that is D, E and F, that is also equal to 180 degree. So we can say that in every triangle sum of angles is 180 degree. Now here we have proved this statement with the help of these examples and made this statement generalize. We generalized this statement. This method is called inductive reasoning. So now we can say that if there are some general principles given, some examples can also be included in this. अगर आपको कुछ general principles दिए हुए हैं और कुछ specific instances हैं, यानी कि कोई statement है, तो यदि आप if you are from these general principles you conclude these specific instances, यानी कि कुछ एग्जाम्पल से आप कोई स्टेटमेंट को कंक्लूड करते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग. एंड इंडक्टिव इज ऑपोजिट टू दैट, यानी कि आपको कोई स्टेटमेंट दी है एंड यू हैव टू जनरलाइज दैट स्टेटमेंट यूजिंग सम एग्जाम्पल्स और सम केसेस. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग. Now comes the motivation. So what is the motivation to study principle of mathematical induction? Mathematical induction को पढ़ने का क्या मोटिव है? तो इसको हम एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं इसके लिए. मान लीजिए आपको कुछ टाइल्स दी हुई हैं. Suppose some tiles are given. When the first tile is pushed in the indicated direction, if you push this one tile, अगर आप उसे push करते हैं, all the tiles will fall. We can see that all the tiles will fall. To be absolutely sure that all the tiles will fall, it is sufficient to know that the first tile falls, and in the event that any tile falls, its successor necessarily falls. What does it mean? That if the first tile falls, यानी कि अगर पहली टाइल गिरती है, and in the event that any tile falls, its successor necessarily falls. और इस केस में अगर एक टाइल गिरती है तो उसके बाद वाली टाइल भी गिरेगी. अगर हमें ये दोनों चीजें, ये दोनों रिजल्ट्स पता हैं, तो what we can be sure about is that all tiles will fall. That is, we can generalize the result considering these two cases. So this is the underlying principle of mathematical induction by which we can generalize a statement using the two cases. Now, what is an inductive set? We know that the set of natural numbers n is a special ordered subset of the real numbers. हमें पता है कि set of natural numbers, set of real numbers का एक subset होता है, एक ordered subset होता है. In fact, n is the smallest subset of R with the following property. मतलब natural numbers जो हैं, set of natural number, वो set of real numbers का एक ऐसा smallest subset है, which with the following property, जो ये property follow करता है. What is the property? A set S is said to be an inductive set. कोई भी set को हम inductive set कब बोलते हैं? If 1 belongs to S, अगर 1 उस set का element है, and x plus 1 belongs to S whenever x belongs to S. And यदि x plus 1 S को belong करे जब भी x S का element हो. For example, in set of natural numbers, we know that 1 belongs to set of natural number, 1 is a natural number, and if we add 1 to 1, that is 2. 2 is again a natural number. Then if we add 1 to 2, that is 3. That is again a natural number. In this way, this condition is satisfied. So since n is the smallest subset of R, which is an inductive set, it follows that any subset of R that is an inductive set must contain n. Now, अगर हमें पता है कि n जो है वो एक smallest subset है set of real numbers का, जो कि एक inductive set भी है, तो यदि और भी कोई सेट है जो कि इंडक्टिव है, तो वो सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स को कंटेन करेगा, दैट इज उसका सुपर सेट होगा. नाउ कंसीडर सम ऑफ n पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. कंसीडर एन एग्जांपल, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n equal to n bracket n plus 1 by 2. Now this is a statement and we can check the validity of this formula or statement with the method of mathematical induction. So such results which involves positive integers or natural numbers, they can be validated by the method of mathematical induction. Now what is the principle of mathematical induction? How do we use this? इसका यूज हम कैसे करेंगे? मान लीजिए आपको एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है. Suppose a statement is given to you Pn, which is a statement and where n is a natural number. Now how we will apply the principle of mathematical induction? First of all, we will check the result for n equal to 1. That is Pn is true for n equal to 1. We will check this. Then we will assume that Pn is true for n equal to k. फिर हम assume करेंगे कि जो हमारी स्टेटमेंट Pn है वो ट्रू है n equal to k के लिए, where k is again a positive integer. Then Pn must be true for n equal to k plus 1. Then we will prove कि Pn जो है वो n equal to k plus 1 के लिए भी true है. That is, truth of Pk implies truth of P of k plus 1. And then by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all natural numbers. So this is the principle of mathematical induction. So let us consider an example. Prove that 2 plus 4 plus 6 up till 2n is equal to n into n plus 1 by using principle of mathematical induction where n is a natural number. Now we are given a statement. हमें एक statement दिया है, हमने उसको Pn मान लिया. We suppose it Pn and that is given to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n is equal to nn plus 1. Now let us do it with the principle of mathematical induction. First of all, we will check it for n equal to 1. For n equal to 1, left hand side will be 2 into 1, that is 2. And right hand side will be 1 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 into 2, that is again 2. So we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So P of 1 is true. That is the result for n equal to 1 is true. Now we assume the result is true for n equal to k, where k is a positive integer. That is P of k is true. So putting n equal to k, we get 2 plus 4 plus 6 up till 2k is equal to k into k plus 1. This is the first equation. Now we shall now prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. Now next step is, for n equal to k plus 1, we will prove the result to be true. Now we have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up till 2k plus 2 into k plus 1. Consider this, add this in place of 2k, the last term we will have is 2 into k plus 1, because we are checking the result for n equal to k plus 1. So now this becomes, now put the value of 2 plus 4 plus 6 up till 2k from first equation, that is k into k plus 1. So using first we get k into k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1. Now k plus 1 is common, taking it out we will get k plus 1 into k plus 2, which can be written as k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1. So we can see that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. That is, if we put in place n in place of n k plus 1, we are getting the same result. अगर हम n की जगह k plus 1 put करते हैं, तो again the left hand side and right hand side we are getting the same. So the result is true for n equal to k plus 1, that is pk plus 1 is true. So from principle of mathematical induction, the statement Pn is true for all natural numbers n. So this is the method of principle of mathematical induction. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.